air quality is something we'll be monitoring over the next couple of days. And we do want to see right now it looks like the Canadian wildfire smoke will stay in the upper levels, but it does have that potential, especially tomorrow, Jill, to dip down in the lower levels, which could impact our air quality and could fire off an impact day.
Right, Ashley, there are a lot of impacts that can come from this Canadian wildfire in our day-to-day activities. And not to say that we're kind of getting used to it, but it is becoming a little bit more commonplace over the past couple of summers. We have seen some of these thicker plumes of that wildfire smoke drift into western Pennsylvania. The sunrise putting on quite a show behind me over the city of Pittsburgh, and especially as we have some of that smoke in the air, it actually starts to scatter the light, providing some of those really vibrant colors. Same thing happens when the sun goes down. Meanwhile, during the day, the sky is not a vibrant blue. Instead, it looks a little bit milkier, more of that haze, and you certainly will start to notice that, especially if that smoke layer does get a little bit thicker as you go through the next several afternoons. But there are other impacts as well, not just to the appearance of the sky, but also, as Ashley was mentioning, it could also lead to a drop in temperature. There's more stuff in the atmosphere for the sunlight to come through, so we don't warm it quite as quickly. Again, it looks like the sun is kind of on a dimmer, but maybe more the practical impact that you may be more concerned about is the air quality. We are moving into the yellow today, that moderate range of air quality. So if you are especially sensitive to changes in air quality, you may want to limit your time outside and certainly those strenuous activities. But over the next 4 days, it does look like we'll just stay in the yellow, not going to the orange, the red, or the purple, which of course we have seen worse air quality with some of these other rounds of plumes of wildfire smoke over recent summers that have moved into western Pennsylvania. So we're monitoring that. Again, it all comes down to just how low in the sky does that plume of wildfire smoke sink. So we will be watching that, of course, over the next couple of days. But for now, reporting live from Mount Washington, Jill Swed, Pittsburgh's Action Weather.